Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar took a challenge at the 60-day moving average, and as you can see from the rejection, it's now put a slightly dent sentiment to the bearish case, that is, and I feel that the market will probably take another step to the downside. Still looking towards that level around 71.60-70 as a short-term base, with the potential of seeing that eventually break, and look towards the level of 70.90, which is seen as a broad base. Any upside attempts should continue to find good supply or resistance around 72.35 to 50. The euro took a challenge to the upside, failed and turned around and actually cracked the support level, which was seen roughly around 112.90 to 113.15. Not quite broken the trend, but I would say that the technicals are playing a big part into the downside move, and therefore if this pattern holds, then I am looking towards 112.20, with the objective still holding from the monthly outlook of 111 figure 50. Any upside attempts should continue to find resistance roughly around 113.70 to 114.20. The dollar yen still holding a downward path since the slight rejection to the hesitation of this doji, which is seen as indecisiveness, and therefore could see a further slide towards the bottom side of the range around 113.70 and then reassess from there, as we may see short-term profit taking and a potential small retracement. Sterling took a challenge to the upside and rejects that top side level, which was around 136.55 to 65. From the rejection, now looks back towards the bottom side of this range at 135.35 to 45. As I've outlined here, I feel the market may rebound off this level and look back up towards 136.60 and then on to 137.40.50. CAD Yen, well, the market is pretty much continuing its sideways trek as the cap of 91.80 figure still holds. In light of the pattern, I'm still viewing that this market will take a challenge to the downside and look towards 90.70 or even lower to 90.30 and reassess from there. Well, it would seem that the topside attempt for gold didn't eventuate to that much. That is, the stab up the upside above that 1,842 was rejected. Keep an eye on this pattern, not quite getting the breakdown of the technicals yet, but I feel if we see a move through 1,831, then we could see a further slide, that is towards 1,824, and the short-term base seen around 1,800. Another challenge to the top side for oil, above that $86, but was rejected again. As you can see, the market hit a high around 86.90 and plummeted back to $84 a barrel. This is the key level to see a further breakdown. Beneath here, we'll see further scope to the bear case and look towards potential target of 82.45 or even the lows seen around 80.80. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please keep a lookout for the intraday report that will be sent out shortly and the end of the day wrap.